Now we can cross this way. Do you want? We just came from over there. We're gonna cross this way. You're crazy. You're pressing all the buttons. Oh, you want to go this way? Okay. We're gonna go this way once we get the chance. Okay, we're crossing state. We just crossed state. Woo, nice sunset.
Wait. Cross 79 at state.
I think that's the one. Unless this is for this. I think this is for that. Yep. That one is to cross, no, not to cross state, but to cross 79th Street. That's this one right here.
Cross 79 at state.
That's that right there where we're gonna go.
There's
There's the
light.
lucky guy. We're gonna jog it. Watch out for the cars, buddy. We just crossed 79th Street. And now there's like a few more. Oh my God, there's 3 more. 1, 2.
Cross right lane on 79. Cross state 79. Cross 79.
Holy cow, 3 of them. I think this one's for that. I'm not sure what this one is.
Wait. To cross right turn lane on 79.
Finish crossing.
Oh, now finish crossing? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Wow, yeah, a lot of buttons on this in this area.
Wait. Cross 79.
Lotus? We're not on Lotus. We just came from this little island. And then we came from over there. Hold on, we're gonna cross again.